The IX series, designed to elevate the entire home with modern quiet ceilings, offers small aperture lighting for every room in the house. As always, make sure all power to the luminaire is off prior to installation. The installation guide is located inside the housing's wiring compartment. Remove it and you are now ready to install the IX series housing. Locate the fixture position. Install bar hanger ends into joists by screwing in the 4 factory installed screws at the end of the bar hangers. Adjust horizontal position of the junction box by sliding it along the bar hangers. Locate the center according to the fixture location. Lock horizontal positioning by fastening the 2 factory installed bar hanger screws. For new construction, no vertical adjustment is necessary because the collar will adjust flush to ceilings from 1/2 to 1 1/4 inches. Route the electrical wires through the junction box. The splice box gives you easy access via the trap door for hassle-free serviceability, even after the sheetrock has been installed. Mark the center fixture position on the drywall. Cut the opening in the drywall by starting at the center, cutting outward and then along the inner diameter of the housing. The easy sheetrock cutout and precision collars prevent overcutting as there is no need to jump to the outside of the housing. Finish the ceiling and now you're ready to install the collar. Collars provide a mounting surface for the trim and module and must be used during module installation. Different collars are available for different trim applications, including flanged or flangeless for new construction. Push the collar and rotation tool into the ceiling housing opening until secure. Turn the rotation tool until the collar is flush with the ceiling. Then, remove the rotation tool. You are now ready to install the module. The IX series driver is integrated directly into the module for easy access and maintenance. Align the trim onto the module and turn it clockwise until it's secure. Plug the module and the new construction housing connectors together. Place the module into the housing and press trim up until it is flush with the ceiling. Plug the connectors together between the adjustable module and the new construction housing. Push the module up until the retaining tabs click and engage with the collar. Once the desired module position is achieved, lock the gray rotation lever to secure the module position. Align the orange indicator on the trim with the orange alignment indicator on the module. Push the trim into the module until it's secure.